Hey guys, Jason here with Kirk, Giordano Plastering, and last week I released a video of me mixing a same-day stucco material, and it got a good response. You guys liked it, you had a couple more questions for us, so I thought today we could make a video and answer some of those questions. To start, somebody asked me about paddle differences. You know, there's a bunch of different paddle designs. This is one we like to use for interior. It works great on plaster mud, inside, fast set, stuff like that, but when I'm mixing a cementitious material, I like this blade. It's a lot more effective, it's efficient, it just works better. And then of course I've got my bucket. You always see me with a 5-gallon bucket of water that I can stick my drill into when I'm not using it, so the bucket is full, so it's not going to dump over and dump water everywhere. It happens sometimes. Anyway, back to mixing. So today what I'm going to do is a Portland cement with a luminite accelerator. And so I've got my bucket here to start. What you can do is fill it about halfway with sand, and then you're going to get your cement. I know the ratio of this stuff, it's 3-to-1 for what we're doing today. And I know that I'm going to need about 5 full scoops of this powder. 3. 5. And because I've been doing this so long, I can tell if I don't have enough, when I get to that point, I can always add more later. And then you do your water. And when you're doing your water to start, you can always make it a little extra soupy to make your job easier. And you want about 3 quarts of water in here. So I'm probably going to need to add some more in a minute. And we've got our drill. It's got 2 directions. It can spin backwards and forwards, pulling either the mud up or the drill down. Now I'm mixing the powder into the water. And then I'm going to start going down into the sand. And so now that's done, I can add the rest of my sand. And so you can tell if it's getting a little chunky and hard to spin, you need some more water. I had enough for that first mix, but not once I added more sand to it. The rest of this bucket of sand in there. And I was telling you with the same day materials that you can't mix for more than 3 to 5 minutes. You don't have that issue with a regular Portland cement. Your biggest problem, if it takes you more than 3 to 5 minutes, you're going to have your guys asking for mud. What are you doing taking so long? So now I'm adding the accelerator. We use luminite, but there are plenty of different accelerators you can use. And this stuff, it's like a food product. If you let it sit in your garage or in the back of your truck, it goes bad. You have to use more. I know that I'm going to need about 1.5 cups to 2 cups, and we just use these soda bottles as cups. And you want to make sure to get that evenly distributed throughout the mix. If it only sits on top, only the top is going to set when you want it to. So I'm pulling everything up and down and making sure the mix is good. And just like that, I'm done. This mud is ready. I'm going to start plastering this up, and then we're finished. All right, guys, I hope that answered some more of your questions. If you have any more, please leave them in the comments. If you like what we do, click subscribe. Let us know how we're doing. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next one.